The Velocette MAC stands as one of the finest examples of classic motorcycle engineering from the golden era of riding. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a piece of history. With its iconic single-cylinder engine and unmistakable character, the MAC delivers a pure, raw riding experience, no electronics, no distractions, just you and the road. Velocette built its reputation on precision, reliability, and craftsmanship, and the MAC perfectly reflects that legacy. Smooth, dependable, and beautifully balanced, it became a favorite among riders who valued both performance and simplicity. Its elegant black finish, chrome details, and timeless silhouette bring back an era when motorcycles were all about soul and connection. Every line, every sound, every vibration tells a story of passion and heritage. Whether you're a vintage enthusiast or a true collector, this machine is more than a ride, it's a statement.